at the beauty salon. Hello. Hi, how can I help you? I have acne and deteriorated hair, and I need some treatments. Sure, we can help you with that. Can you tell me about your skin and hair problems? My skin is often oily and appears shiny. I've been struggling with acne for years now, and it's getting worse. And my hair is dry and brittle, and I have split ends. Acne-prone skin requires special treatment. First, you need to avoid touching your face, especially with dirty hands. Okay, I'll keep that in mind. What about my diet? Does it affect my skin? Yes, it does. You should avoid sugary and greasy foods. Instead, eat plenty of fruits and vegetables and drink lots of water. Got it. And what about skincare products? What should I use? You should use products that will help unclog pores and reduce inflammation. Also, make sure to moisturize your skin daily. For acne, we have special treatments such as chemical peels and laser therapy. And for your hair, we can offer deep conditioning treatments, hair masks, and trims to get rid of split ends. That's fantastic to hear. We're here to help you achieve healthy, beautiful skin and hair.
How does it work? Hi, I'm looking for a new vacuum cleaner. Can you show me a few models? Of course! We have 3 models here that I can show you. This one is the most popular and has a strong suction power. How does it work? It's simple. You just plug it in, press the button, and start vacuuming. What about this one? This one is a bit more expensive, but it has a HEPA filter that traps allergens and dust particles. It's great for people with allergies. How do I use it? It's easy. You just need to attach the hose and the accessories, and then you can start vacuuming. The HEPA filter is washable and reusable. What about this one? This one is the most expensive, but it's also the most powerful. It has a motorized brush that's great for cleaning carpets and upholstery. How do I use it? It's easy. You just need to plug it in, press the button, and start vacuuming. The motorized brush will do the rest. I think I'll go with this one. It's exactly what I need. Great choice. It's a reliable and powerful vacuum cleaner that will last you for years.